Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In part 1, we covered the initial steps of this straightforward process. Now, we're going to continue with the replacement, ensuring a smooth transition and getting your vehicle back in top shape. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or new to automotive repairs, we've got you covered. Choosing the right replacement relay. When it comes to selecting a replacement relay for your vehicle, there are essential factors to consider to ensure a smooth and successful replacement process. Compatibility. Compatibility is key when choosing a replacement relay. It is crucial to select a relay that is specifically designed to work with your vehicle's make, model, and electrical requirements. Using a relay that is not compatible can lead to malfunctions, electrical issues, and potentially costly repairs down the line. Make sure to double-check the compatibility of the replacement relay before purchasing to avoid any complications. Quality and reliability. Opting for a high-quality and reliable replacement relay is paramount. Investing in a reputable brand and quality relay ensures the longevity and functionality of your vehicle's electrical system. Low-quality relays may lead to frequent replacements, system failures, and even safety hazards. Prioritize quality and reliability to maintain the efficiency of your vehicle's operations and prevent future issues. Choosing the right replacement relay involves a blend of compatibility, quality, and reliability considerations. By making an informed decision based on these factors, you can guarantee a successful replacement that ensures optimal performance and longevity for your vehicle. Steps to replace an automatic shutdown relay. After diagnosing a faulty automatic shutdown relay, it's essential to replace it promptly to ensure your vehicle's optimal performance. Follow these steps to smoothly replace the automatic shutdown relay without unnecessary complications. Safety precautions. Prioritize safety by disconnecting the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the replacement process. Avoid touching live electrical components and ensure the engine is cool before starting the replacement. Additionally, wearing insulated gloves is highly recommended to minimize the risk of electric shock. Tools needed. Gather the necessary tools before starting the replacement process to streamline your task. You will need a set of wrenches to remove the relay securely, various screwdrivers for opening different parts of the vehicle, and insulated gloves to protect yourself from potential electrical hazards. Having these tools ready will make the replacement process more efficient. Replacement process. 1. Locate the relay. Begin by locating the automatic shutdown relay, typically found in the vehicle's fuse box. Refer to your vehicle's manual for specific guidance on its exact placement. 2. Disconnect the battery. As a safety measure, disconnect the negative terminal of the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical accidents during the replacement process. 3. Remove the faulty relay. Use the appropriate tool, such as a wrench, to carefully remove the faulty automatic shutdown relay from the fuse box. Ensure gentle handling to avoid any damage to surrounding components. 4. Install the new relay. Take the new automatic shutdown relay and securely place it in the empty slot in the fuse box. Ensure it is fitted correctly to guarantee proper functionality. 5. Reconnect the battery. Once the new relay is securely in place, reconnect the negative terminal of the vehicle's battery to restore power. 6. Test the relay. Turn on the engine and check if the new automatic shutdown relay functions correctly. Listen for any abnormal sounds or irregularities that may indicate a faulty installation. By following these systematic steps, you can successfully replace the automatic shutdown relay in your vehicle, ensuring its smooth operation and longevity. Remember to prioritize safety and attention to detail throughout the entire replacement process for optimal results. Testing and verifying the replacement. After replacing the automatic shutdown relay, it is crucial to test and verify the functionality to ensure that the new component is working correctly. Testing the replacement relay is a vital step in the process, as it guarantees that your vehicle's electrical system is functioning as it should. By following the proper testing procedures, you can troubleshoot any issues and address them promptly. Tips for verifying the replacement. 1. Visual inspection. Start by visually inspecting the newly installed relay to check for any physical damage or loose connections. Ensure that the relay is securely fitted in place. 2. Testing with a multimeter to verify the functionality of the replacement relay. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and resistance. This will help you determine if the relay is conducting electricity properly. 3. Testing voltage. Measure the voltage across the relay terminals to confirm that the electrical current is flowing correctly through the relay. This step is crucial in ensuring the proper operation of the relay. 4. Listening for clicks. When testing the relay, listen for audible clicks when applying power or activating the relay. The clicks indicate that the relay is engaging and functioning as intended. Troubleshooting common issues. 1. No power. If there is no power reaching the relay, check the wiring connections and the power source to identify any issues. Ensure that all connections are secure and that there are no breaks in the wiring. 2. Faulty connections. In case the relay is not functioning correctly, inspect the connections for any signs of corrosion or damage. Clean the terminals and connectors to establish a proper connection. 3. Testing other components. If the relay replacement does not solve the issue, consider testing other related components such as fuses, switches, and wiring harnesses to pinpoint the root cause of the problem. By following these tips and troubleshooting common issues, you can effectively test and verify the replacement of the automatic shutdown relay in your vehicle. Proper testing procedures are essential in maintaining the functionality and performance of your vehicle's electrical system. We've explored the crucial role that automatic shutdown relays play in ensuring the smooth operation of your vehicle. By understanding the signs of a faulty relay and following the steps outlined for replacement, you can prevent unexpected breakdowns and maintain safety on the road. Prioritizing the maintenance of automatic shutdown relays is a proactive step that every vehicle owner should take to avoid costly repairs and potential safety risks. Remember, a well-maintained relay is the key to a reliable and secure driving experience. So, stay informed, be proactive, and keep your vehicle running smoothly by giving your automatic shutdown relay the attention it deserves. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.